Hello everyone, this is Mohanavalli, working as Assistant Professor in Siddharth Group of Institutions. In this video, we are going to see about the interfaces in object-oriented Java. So first of all, interface. So interfaces means it is a collection of abstract methods. So abstract methods means only it contains the definition of the methods will be available. We won't define the description of the methods. An interface can contain both variables and methods. An interface cannot be instantiated. So instantiated means we cannot inherit the new method from the inheritance. Cannot create a new interface. In order to access the members of the interface, we need to inherit the interface into a class using implements keyword. So how the interface will be implemented in the program means using implements keyword. In the subclass, we have to override all the abstract methods. So overriding method will be possible in the interfaces if the subclass is overriding all the methods of an interface. Then it is called as the implementation of the class. The class can implement any number of interface. So more number of interfaces a class can implement. So coming to next one, what is the use of interface in Java? So there are mainly three reasons to use the interface. They are first one is it is used to achieve the abstraction. That is the main advantage of using the interface in Java. So abstraction is only contains the abstract method, that is declaration of the methods will be available. Definition of the methods will be available in the subclasses. And second point, by interface, we can support the functionality of the multiple inheritance. So through the interface, we can implement the multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance means two different type of superclasses will be there. From that, we will derive the one child class. So that property is called as the multiple inheritance. So and also it can be used to achieve the loose coupling. So the main advantage of interface is we can achieve the loose coupling. So how to next syntax for defining the interface. So first of all, start with the interface keyword and followed by the interface name. So whenever we want to use the interface name in any main function, so we will invoke with the help of the name only. So interface and followed by the interface name. So inside the block, we will what all the fields and abstract methods will be we have to define. So interface only it contain the abstract methods and then constant field will be available in the interface. So how to derive the interface? So how to make? So if we want to define one class, if we are creating more number of classes from one class means, so we will use the extend keyword. That is we want a class, a base class will be there. From that we want to create a new class means we use the extend keyword. But here and if we want to create one interface from to another interface means here we can use the extend keyword. But from the class, if we are implementing the interface, we are creating interface means implements keyword will be used. So which means that the class interface it contains the abstract methods. So the definition of the method will be available in the class. So implements keyword will be used to implement the interface. Next, coming to the example for an interface. So in this program, interface printable, that is interface we are defining interface and followed by we are giving the interface name. Inside this we have declared one member function, that is abstract method. So we didn't define any definition of the method, just only we declared, that's all. But implementation of the class will be available in the main function. So coming to that, so here in coming to that class A6, so A6 is the class name, and then implements printable. So whatever that is methods we are defining in the interface, the definition of the interface methods is available inside the class. So public void print, so inside that one message we are printing, that is hello. The next is coming to the main function. Then we are creating object for the class. So why we are creating object means, so through the object only we can invoke all the methods and properties in the classes. So that's why we are creating objects. So and after that, to the object we are invoking the method, that is obj.print. So obj.print means, so in that line, so just it is invoke the interface methods. So if we execute this program, just Java C, to compile a program, Java C file name dot Java. Always file name and class name will be same. So, so to compile, so no error. So no error means we will move for the execution, that is Java file name. So if we are executing, then we will get the output as hello.